So I want to welcome you back to another episode. So inside this episode, we're going to talk about Instagram influencer marketing and how to use socialblade.com and really get all the process going. So I've already collected a couple people, just of not people I actually use, but if I was going to go out and try to reach out to people for influencer marketing, it's on Instagram. And I really just want to show you the difference between them, and you can kind of go and do all the research for yourself for your own brand if you're in cooking or whatever that you're in fitness or whatever. And I believe I still have fitness profile still up. So one of the first things we are going to look for is not really growth. So yeah, let's do Gary Vee for instance. He's got a continuous of growth, and what you're looking for is engagement rate. It doesn't matter that really grow their followers because people lose followers and they gain followers. If you're someone like Gary Vee, you're constantly growing your followers. But an engagement rate between 1 and 3%. If you read the blog post, I go in to ask questions on exactly what you should be asking influencers before you even talk to them. So as you see right here, there's me and our mentor. We're gonna go over his A minus. His engagement rate is about 50%. If I were you, I would not use him. He's got a very low engagement, so it's not something that I would use, especially for 3.5 million followers. Obviously, he does grow his followers, but his engagement isn't that great. Used to be at like 1.2. I don't know what happened. Maybe a lot of people fell off and they don't use Instagram no more. But either way, it's all good. Okay, so we can go to like Lewis House, and I'll show you some of these guys and show you. Um, so if you can find a steal with some of these pages, he's actually got a pretty good engagement for how many followers he has actually at 2%. So his engagement and of course, as I said, you're going to gain followers, you're going to lose followers. It's really his name in the game. Is people they like you, they don't. You post something that doesn't correspond to them, and they unfollow you. I mean, there's nothing you can do. You just go on, you create your own content, and the people that like your content will just continue to stay. I mean, it's really simple as that. Um, so from here, um, so we see this, and what we're looking for is people that are inside of DM groups. So if I was in a fitness, um, as I said, I will show you just a couple people that's someone that's in DM groups, and I'll show you the difference between profiles, and I'm gonna go into another one. So if I was going to get a shout out from this guy, he's only got 34K. Okay, so like this guy, his engagement is decently. I would not use him for a reason he does not really get a lot of comments for having how many followers he does have. And as I said, this could be just for people fell off, people are not on Instagram no more. Whatever the case is, shit happens, and you just move on. Okay, so if you can find an account like uh, like Lewis Howes here that has 177,000 freaking comments, even 441. I mean, if you got in the thousands or 500, hell, just 300 comments, and you can find a page that absolutely that's crushing it, and it looks like it's pretty natural. Okay, so we have another page. I'm gonna go with Dear Hustler. Now, some of these pages are in a couple DM groups I'm in. I'm just showing you the difference. Now, getting 300 some comments, if you're in that many DM groups, hey, good luck, good job, whatever it is that you're doing, keep on doing it to grow your files. Okay, so if we actually look now, great post, man is on point. Like Patty, I know she is in one of the DM groups, but she does very well with the comments, and she always does. But look for like comments that aren't like like that aren't comments that you know for a fact, like, yes, that was what's great. Um, like comments like this, you know they're probably real comments that people actually stopping by. Um, what, 9 more? Yes, yes, yes. Blah blah blah. Okay, so and what I want to show you is like Lewis Howes' comments. Now I'm not gonna load every single one of his comments, obviously. You are amazing all day long. Love this, blah blah. Now, not all the comments are going to be like all up and personal, and this is just not the way it is. So we don't do so true. Obviously, I'm not reading it. Like comments like this, you know. Actually, I know what this is. Oh, he's actually I should be in one of the DM groups of him. He decided he didn't want to follow me no more or whatever, whatever case would be. Um, so other than that, so it's pretty much easy to locate Social Blade. What you're going to do is, come in here, hit Social Blade, right? That's about right. Yeah, nope. So, come in here, hit Social Blade. I'm going to show you how to use this before you go in. I kind of went backwards with it, but so, come in here, you're going to click on YouTube I'm not on YouTube, but on Instagram as soon as my computer don't act slow. And the influencer you're about to use, now, what I said in the blog post, should be over 100K. I no longer even do that. Now I'm looking for people that have like 200K, 300K followers. They usually just bring more followers. And what you want to do is you want to look at everything. Now, you see his is a low engagement rate, but you know what? You can even benefit probably from his if you have a really qualified post, especially a post like this that's more motivational, 6,000 likes. And really what you want to do is you want to look for the type of content that really gets people's attention, right? So it's more of stuff that's motivational. Like this wasn't what people are looking for. And if you can just get a few comments. So it looks like if you were going to use him, it'd be something with cars would get the most engagement and most comments inside of this. It's saying do well. Gary Vee didn't do well. Yeah, it looks like cars and guys up close and personal. Women, I mean, just up close and personal and cars. Animals don't do too good. But anyways, what you really do is you see how many comments they're getting, and like, let's just check this out. What you want to do is you would actually want to do this on your phone. I'm on my computer doing this, and you would want to see if this is something that's related to the post, or this is just some random stuff that's going on that he's posting and he's inside DM groups or whatnot. And if he is inside DM groups, you need to figure out which one of these people are actually following him and actually engaging with him and actually doing your homework. There's 5 questions I think on the blog post where I talk about you should be asking people questions, asking where the followers are from, and so how to get started with crypto, blah blah blah. And I'm not even sure where this even leads, but anyways, that's pretty much it. One of the first things you want to do is you want to check their engagement rate, and their engagement, see how much engagement you get. Between 1% and 3% is fine. If they have more than that, that is outstanding. So the bigger the page, the less engagement it's going to get. It's just the way it works. There's nothing you can really do. Besides if they're running ads on every single one of their posts. And I don't really care. And after that, that's pretty much it. So you just come to Social Blade. After you come to Social Blade, go on Instagram and you start DMing people. And as I said, if you're on the blog post, there's a complete guide to drive the most traffic to your website, to your opt-in, or whatever it is you're trying to draw traffic to. Um, I got a complete leads ebook inside of that. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. And again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me what you thought about this video. All right, peace.